Good day, YouTube. So some guys just asked me if how are you gonna put some customize or your custom sounds in Discord. So I'm gonna show you right now. So an example is like in here. Let's say here. So if you are going to open the soundboard, so I have this custom sounds from Counter-Strike.
Sector clear.
See that?
Need backup. Enemy
So
spotted.
if you are going to ask me if how did I do it, then this video is for you. So first, so of course you're going to need your own customized sounds, and it should be on at least on common audio format like MP3 or OGG or Wave. So what you're gonna do is, if you have okay, we're gonna make a new server. So you just wanna make just stop this, add a server. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna click your server, and then you're going to click the drop down arrow and then go to server settings, and then you're gonna go to soundboard. In here you can upload your own custom sounds like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna upload a song, a sound. So I have this, oh shit. So if you're gonna, this is not going to highlight if you forget to put some name here. So you can add at least 7 or 8 slots for your customized audios. So if you're gonna get back, so in here so where is the here so here is the audio that I have uploaded earlier. So if you wanna, let's say if you wanna delete, or if you wanna change or modify the uploaded videos, or if you plan to replace the audio, so what you're going to do is go ahead and go to your server, and then server settings, go to soundboard, and here if you're gonna align your mouse here, you can just click the X button, or you can go ahead and click this pencil icon for you to edit, like this one. If you want to edit the name, so it is up to you. So basically that's it. So if you have questions, just feel free to go ahead and go to the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video and learn from the video.